Let's kick things off by understanding what personal finance really means. Put simply, it's the art of managing your money to achieve your financial goals. But why does it matter? Well, mastering personal finance is key to building wealth, securing your future, and living life on your own terms. At its core, it's about making smart choices with your money, no matter how much you have. So, what are the basic principles of personal finance? It boils down to a few key concepts: budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. These fundamentals form the foundation of financial stability and prosperity. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so you never miss out on our upcoming tips and insights. Our mission here at Financial Blueprints is simple: to empower you with the knowledge and skills you need to take control of your financial future. By subscribing, you'll gain access to valuable resources and join a community of like-minded individuals committed to financial success. Now that we understand the importance of personal finance, let's talk about setting financial goals. Having clear goals gives your financial journey direction and purpose. We'll explore the SMART goal-setting technique, which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By setting goals that meet these criteria, you'll increase your chances of success. Your goals might include paying off debt, saving for a dream vacation, or building a retirement nest egg. Whatever they may be, writing them down and creating a plan to achieve them is the first step towards financial freedom. Now, let's talk about budgeting, the cornerstone of personal finance. A budget is simply a roadmap for how you'll allocate your income to meet your expenses and achieve your financial goals. It's not about restriction, it's about empowerment and control. Start by tracking your income and expenses, then prioritize your spending based on your goals. Remember, a budget is a living document that should be reviewed and adjusted regularly to reflect changes in your financial situation. Debt can be a major roadblock on your journey to financial freedom, but not all debt is created equal. There's good debt, like a mortgage or student loans, that can help you build wealth over time. Then there's bad debt, like high-interest credit card debt, that can hold you back. If you're struggling with debt, don't panic. There are strategies you can use to take control, such as debt consolidation, negotiating lower interest rates, and creating a repayment plan. With determination and discipline, you can overcome even the toughest financial challenges. Finally, let's talk about saving and investing, the keys to building wealth and securing your financial future. Saving is about setting aside money for short-term goals and emergencies, while investing is about putting your money to work to generate long-term returns. When it comes to investing, diversification is key. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk and maximize potential returns. Whether you're investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or retirement accounts, the key is to start early and stay consistent. And there you have it, an introduction to personal finance. We've covered the basics of budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt, laying the groundwork for your financial success. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into creating a budget with a step-by-step guide. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. By taking control of your finances today, you're investing in a brighter tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to Financial Blueprints, like this video, and share it with your friends. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.